Hello guys and welcome back to Irma's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the IS-FC06 error code for Epic Games. And so the first method you guys can do is simply open up settings, type in settings in the search bar, you're going to go to network and internet, you're going to scroll down until you see advanced network settings, then you're going to go all the way down to network reset, and then you're going to simply click on the reset now network reset. And then once that is done, you can restart your PC as well, and then once everything is going back, you can check to see if the Epic Games launcher is now working. If it still isn't working, the second method you guys can try to do is simply right click on Epic Games launcher, and every time you open it up, just make sure you click on run as administrator and click yes. And if you think you'll forget sometimes, what you can do is right click on it again, click on properties, click on compatibility, and then just check the run this program as an administrator box, and then hit apply and then hit OK. Now once you do that, you should be able to open up the Epic Games launcher, and you should see if the error code is still there. If you have Epic Games launcher already open, what you can do is simply sign out and also log back in. That is another method to try to fix the problem that you are having. If all else fails, what you can do is simply uninstall Epic Games Launcher and then re-download it with the latest update. And yeah, so that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.